So yan guys, punta kami dyan sa train. Sakay daw kami ng train. Ang dami na tao. Ay, sa likod pala. Doon pala yung harap.
Oh, morning last car.
Pwede na, takapakay.
Dami ticket. Asan nakapalit yung ticket? Downtown here?
There. Look at that person here. Mo nilang downtown jail?
Yes. Totally downtown. Yeah. Downtown is more.
Downtown and Skagway, Alaska. Hey, it says they're minor but how come there's a Christmas decoration in here? Oh, look at that there. Something. Skagway mining. So we're gonna get the ticket at the train ticket sold. Balik muna kami sa train guys, kakain kasi wala yung Filipino food, closed. So ito guys, kakain muna kami ng lunch kasi wala yung Filipino food doon.
Chicken city.
Wala yung Filipino food
Chicken?
doon.
Beef, I think.
Not pork, is it?
It's a veal.
Lapit kami sa, sa window kami.
Veal is beef?
Wala po kayo guys! Ang kauban tapos tayo. Gihangat kong pinakalit. Ikaw sa kanidagan pa sa mong kwarto. Agoy, ginoo ka. Wala, kay kabalo ko wala sa inyong kwarto. Nako, bahala na sa pagbayaran ko sa kalibot titimil. Ita kalibot titimil guys. Gusto ko masakay helicopter. Ito na, paubos na. Ah, ato da ito.
Now, our conductor today is Dave Hunt. You'll see him in a snazzy black suit with a golden conductor hat. Assisting him is our brakeman, that is Dennis Donahue. He'll be in the silver brakeman's hat. They are not the ones that will be driving the train, though. We've got someone up there in our engines. He's the one that will be driving the train, making sure that we stay on track, so to speak, and that is Jim Hamilton. Now on your seat, you might have noticed a little all-aboard map. We will be traveling from mile marker 0 all the way up to mile marker 14, Glacier Station. We do have a bridge that is out of commission. We did not 100% know that we would have a summer season this year. So we were doing some reconstruction on our rail line, and it's for this reason that we will only be going up to mile marker 14. Now, if you're wondering which side is the better side to sit on, the answer to that question is yes. Both sides are great. We will get to see both sides of the train today. So, if you look across the aisle and see someone sitting across from you, feel free to give them a wave, thank them, because they are the ones that are keeping your seat warm on the way back down outside. Now, folks, at this time, I will be stepping off the microphone here very briefly to allow Justin to start introducing himself to you if he has not yet done so already.
There's another train.
The 16 cars, they were sold out today. That's why we have this train. Yep. Very good for us. Anyway. Yeah, absolutely. So if you'd like to follow along, of course, there's a map in the back. We're going to Milepost 14.
Wow, nandun sa tubig. Jill, nindot yung tubig, Jill, oh. Nindot yung tubig, oh. And look in here. I see it. You can see in here, so that you can see. Dere daw nahan. Oh, dere. Kita niyo. There's some waterfalls, guys. Oh, look at that. guys. See you later.
Well, hello everyone. My name is Tyler. I was the one that was on the microphone. I just wanted to thank you guys for not only taking the train with us.
Ako na kami sa train adventure namin guys. So, pauwi na kami sa boat. Thank you guys for watching. See you in our next stop at Blizzard Bay tomorrow. So, thank you. Bye-bye.
All right, as we come into the docks here, one last time, thank you so much for joining us on behalf of your tour guide Tyler and myself, the rest of the train crew. Thank you so much for joining us here on the White Pass and Yukon route. Everyone stay in their seats. This is not where we normally stop. We are going to keep moving forward. Okay. Thank you so much for joining us. We very much appreciate it. We're very happy to be back. Thank you so much. So as we come to a stop here closer to the dock, what's going to happen is our conductor and brakeman will be running alongside the train, letting down all of the stairs for everyone to get on board. And the fastest possible way to slow them down is to crowd the platforms, because there is a trap door they need to open and also a gate. And if you're in the way, they cannot do this. So resist the urge for just a few moments longer. I know we've been sitting down for a long time. You want to get up and stretch your legs. I understand this completely. However, we'll not be able to open the train cars if you do so. Alright, well that's going to do it. As we come to a stop, we will wave you off the train when it is safe to offload. Thank you so much for joining us on the White Pass and Yukon route, anywhere way of the world. Thank you so much.
Baba na kami sa train namin. Ayan guys, ikuray ng anak ko guys. Ayan guys. Tawa ko siya guys. Ayan. Ayan guys. Joke lang ako. Skagway. Dara sila dari bibing.